Repeat function repeats text a selected number of times. This function has two arguments. In text argument, type or select the text you want to repeat in a given cell. In number times box, type the positive number which specifies the number of times to repeat selected text. To create a histogram, in text box, enter vertical bar. Press tab key. In number times box, select this number to repeat that vertical bar. Click OK. Repeat function returns 12 vertical bar because the value in cell reference D5 is 12. To paste formula in other cells, double click. To format histogram chart cells, select all these cells. In Home tab, Font group, click Bold button, click Font color arrow button. Select this color. To create text-based bar chart, activate this cell. Click text arrow button. Click repeat function. In text box, select any alphabetical letter. I select letter G. Type letter G. Press tab key. In number times box, select this number. In number times box, select this number to repeat that alphabetical letter. Click OK. To convert this text into bar chart, format this cell. Right click. Click Format Cells. Click Font tab. Search Webdings font. This font is represented a letter G with a block character. As a result, you will get a solid bar in a given cell. Select this font, click OK. Click in formula bar, type letter A. Press enter. You have repeated correct sign symbols. Activate this cell. Click in formula bar. Type B. Press enter. You have repeated bicycle symbol. Activate this cell. Click in formula bar. Type G. Press enter. You have repeated block characters. Paste the formula in other cells. Click in Home tab. Increase the font size up to 9. Click Font arrow button. Select this color. In this way, you can repeat text in an Excel worksheet by using repeat function.